What is up guys, this is Vishu from Savage Camp, and in today's video we are going to look at this keyword called as yum. So if you are new to Linux, like this is just like a command line interface. All I have is this black screen where I can write commands. In Windows, if you want to install Skype, you download the file, you double click on it, you click next, install, and then it is installed. In Linux, however, we don't have the graphical user interface. In this case, there are operating systems like Ubuntu, CentOS, Fedora with a graphical user interface, but when it comes to servers, they have like command line interface. So in this case, to install packages, we use something called as yum. So yum has a repository of all the packages, and whichever package you want, you give that name, and if it is present in the repository, yum will install it, and whatever dependencies there are for this package, it is also going to install those dependencies for you, so you don't have to do anything. So to use yum, you need to know the commands for yum. So we will start with the very basics. If you want to install, you will do yum install and then the package name. So we can do vs ftpd. This is like a FTP package, and here you can see that dependencies have been resolved, and then it will give you the name of the package, architecture, version, and whatever the size is, and it will ask you, do you want to download? So do a Y and hit enter, and you will see this. So to avoid this, you can just add -y, and that will just take it as yes. So that is another way to avoid this prompt. So let's clear the screen. Now we have vs ftpd. What if I want to remove it? So there are two ways to do this. You can do yum erase vs ftpd. It's going to erase it. The other way is you do yum remove, and it is also going to uninstall it. So you will see it's the same output for both of them. So we'll do y, and it has removed the vs ftpd. So you can also do yum auto remove. That will remove all the packages that were left behind that are no longer needed, and this is more like cleaning stuff. You don't really need to do it, but it removes the unwanted packages along with the package, so it just keeps it clean. So we saw how to install and remove packages, and let us see what we have. So if I do a yum list, it is going to give me a lot of information. This is like a lot of data, and we are not going to go over each one of these. What we will do is show whichever list is available for us. So these are the available packages that we can install with yum right now with the repo we have. So we can do yum list available or yum list installed. This is going to give me whichever packages are installed currently on this machine and which version they are. So yum list installed will give you whichever packages are installed, available will give you which ones are available, and all is going to give you everything. Those are available and those are installed, including both. So those are how to list packages. Now let me clear the screen. The last one we will see is group list. So if you want to install like packages that have lot of dependencies and other packages, you can use the group list and group info. So one of the examples of this is you can do yum group info and development tools. This is like a very famous package, basically to use all the packages required while writing any program. So if I do this, you will see that the default packages that is available in development tools is these packages. Then we have mandatory packages that are going to be installed no matter what, and then optional are these. So if you want to like do a development stuff, instead of remembering each one of these packages and installing them or running into errors and finding out that you need library tools, you do a development tools group install, and what that would do is everything that is necessary would be installed directly. So you don't have to remember any of these, you just do the group install. One more command that we can run is called yum update or yum upgrade. So if I have a package like Skype, which is like version 1, and there's a new version 2 available on the repository, then I can do an yum upgrade Skype, and it will go and try to match the version I have with the version that is available in the repo. If the version available in the repo is new, it will install that, or it will do nothing. The other one is with upgrade. There's also downgrade, which will basically lower your version of the software. And one of the most important ones that you should do with any new operating system is yum update. When you do not put any packages, it is going to try to find all the packages for which updates are available in the repository. So I have all these packages because I have never ran yum update on this machine. So there are way too many packages to be updated, and at the end you will see that size is 354 MB. It will install 12 packages and upgrade 199 packages. So that is all the details that you need to know while update and upgrade, but always do an update whenever you get any new package. So I will do a no over here. I will do this later on and move on to the next one. Yum commands you're going to use is yum install, yum remove, yum search, vs ftpd, and this is going to search for that package. You can also do something like star, and it is going to pull out the same one. Yum search, install, remove, and list are like the common ones that you will use. Sometimes you will have to enable repo and all those things, but we will see that in some other video. This is about how to use the yum commands. So I think that is it for this video, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.